Samantha Thompson, Quality and Workforce Management Supervisor, Stanley Black & Decker Outdoor. I have had a relationship with Verint since 2017, and one of the most important things that I value is that I have had a relationship with my implementation specialist since the beginning, and still do. We currently use the Verint Workforce Management Professional. It enables our contact center to have a more accurate forecasting. We have a goal of 90%. We've been able to have schedule updates for weeks in advance. It enables us to schedule out for our seasonal business to show when we need to bring in our seasonals. It also allows us to have the ability to have training schedules updating. We have been able to increase the amount of training that we've been able to do. We have voluntary time off and unpaid time off with this, which can become a cost savings to our contact center. We're also able to see when our supervisors are able to maybe pull our advocates off to do some real-time coaching. We've seen a huge, return on our investment from using this tool. Verint helps me listen to my internal customers, so my contact center agents, my leaders. It helps me by allowing them to have instant access to knowing when they can have time off, which, as many know, in a contact center, that is one of the most important things. They want to know, can they have this vacation day? When is that scheduled holiday supposed to be? And then their supervisors, they want to know, do I have available headcount that day? Can I approve this time off? And it allows our leaders to know, what was that abandonment rate? What was the schedule adherence that day? How many people did call off? What was what was that KPI? I mean, it gives us a real-time view, almost at the snap of a finger. How much easier could it get? How many other tools allow you access to that kind of information with that accuracy? Not much else allows you that. Blending automation and the human touch means a lot specifically to me. In 2021, I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. I began to have a big shift in the ability and function in my fingers. If it would not have been for the Verint Workforce Management Professional tool, I may not have been able to do my job. I was not able or did not have full functionality of my fingers. And if I would have been having to use Excel-based tools or something that I would have had to use my fingers with a lot, I don't know that I would have been able to do my job. Even just the act of a copy and paste or clicking with my fingers, it was taking me hours to do what would have normally only taken me minutes. So the ability to have the automation that the Verint Workforce Management Professional tool allowed me had a really big impact on my ability to do my job, and allowed me to remain accurate and concise, and allowed me to still do my job, to meet my goals of 90% accuracy rate within my forecasting tool. It allowed me to still have my weeks of forecasted schedules out. It allowed me to still meet my goals. My favorite part of working with Verint is that I always feel like I'm part of the family. My very first time coming to an Engage event was one of my first times interacting with Verint, and I was alone. I had not really met anybody, but I left feeling like I had friends for life. And here I am now, years later, still feeling the same. I smile, I feel like I'm part of the team, and I know that these are relationships for life.